The journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. There are no ordinary moments. A warrior does not give up what he loves. He finds the love in what he does. Everything you'll ever need to know is within you. The secrets of the universe are imprinted on the cells of your body. Everyone tells you what's good for you. They don't want you to find your own answers. They want you to believe theirs. You can live a whole lifetime never being awake. Where are you? Here. What time is it? Now. What are you? This moment. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. There is no path to love. Love is the path. There is no path to peace. Peace is the path. Be happy now without reason, or you will never be at all. The world's a puzzle. No need to make sense out of it. The time is now. The place is here. Stay in the present. You can do nothing to change the past, and the future will never come exactly as you plan or hope for. The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. The seasons do not push one another, neither do clouds race the wind across the sky. All things happen in their own good time. Unless someone truly has the power to say no, they never truly have the power to say yes. The birth of the mind is the death of the senses. Before you can see the light, you have to deal with the darkness. Life comes at us in waves. We can't predict or control those waves, but we can learn to surf. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. Enlightenment is not attainment. It is a realization, and when you wake up, everything changes and nothing changes. Money is neither my God nor my devil. It is a form of energy that tends to make us more of who we already are, whether it's greedy or loving. While some of us act without thinking, too many of us think without acting. Willpower is the key to success. Successful people strive no matter what they feel by applying their will to overcome apathy, doubt, or fear. You have to lose your mind before you can come to your senses. A fool is happy when his cravings are satisfied. A warrior is happy without reason. That's what makes happiness the ultimate discipline. A warrior doesn't seek pain, but if pain comes, he uses it. Faith is the courage to live your life as if everything that happens does so for your highest good and learning, like it or not. When you become fully responsible for your life, you can become fully human. Once you become human, you may discover what it means to be a warrior. Never struggle with anyone or anything. When you're pushed, pull. When you're pulled, push. The earth isn't solid. It is made up of molecules and atoms, tiny universes filled with space. It is a place of mystery, light, and magic if you only open your eyes. We cannot always do great things in life, but we can do small things with great love.